Hello those, you see this hair? It's red, right? So the client doesn't want it red anymore, and she was thinking of throwing the wig or getting another one. So I advised her that let her bring it on, but I can sort it out. I can take this color away to its original color, then give her the brown color she wants. So yeah, so let's see how the whole process is being done. So those, yeah, so I've done all the mixture. So this is the water. See, that is just a plain water. So now I'm going to dip the red hair in. So you see I've dipped it in. You see the water, you see how red it is. So I'm just gonna allow it to soak for 5 minutes, and yeah, I'll take it out. So those, see, I'm sorry I couldn't make a video of the process because my phone has been acting up. But you see, yeah, so after that it went to its original color, which the first color it was colored on, which was blonde. Then after that I tuned it down to what the client wants, which is this sweet dark brown. Yeah, that, so it's wet, so, and there's no light where I am, so yeah, but you can see, sure. So now, yeah, look at the water. See, took out all the red out. See that? So yeah, so I'll take it for it to dry. So see the finish.